Hey guys, this is Thursday's practice and problem solving word problems. Now these word problems are a little different than what we've been working with before because they're actually just a little bit different. We'll just see. Okay, so these actually go into possibly multiplying and everything like that. There's a few things you need to know. First off, when I say a dozen is equal to 12. So if you say a dozen eggs, it means 12. Okay? You need to know that. So, just saying. That's all. Okay, so they're going to be a little bit bigger. So just like before, clench it in notebook paper. Name, date, which is October the 15th, 2020. Math. Then we are word problems. So, okay, here we go. There are a total of 3 football games a month. The season is played for 4 months. How many football games are there in a season? So if you have 3 football games a month and you play for 4 months, you are going to multiply 3 times 4. And that you shouldn't even have to write it vertically because you should know right off the bat that 3 times 4 is 12. And I'm sorry. I'm sorry. 3 times 4 is 12. So that means you're just going to come right over here and put 12 games. Now, number 2 is when I wrote that 12 up there. It says, Alyssa bought 9 dozen eggs from the grocery store to bake some cakes. That's a lot of cakes. How many eggs did Alyssa buy? So, that's number 2. If a dozen eggs, okay, if she bought 9 dozen, and there are 12 eggs in a dozen, you're multiplying 9 times 12. 9 times 12 equals 108. So how many eggs does Alyssa have? Sorry, I choked. 108 eggs. All right, now you're going to continue doing this, guys. And I'm going to go ahead, like number 3, you're going to multiply 14 times 13. Okay, you'll work that out. That's 0 there. You may need to space over a little bit. Okay, so number 4, because we haven't done decimals yet. Fred earns $12.50 an hour for cleaning houses. If Fred works from 8 to 2, how much money does he make? So first you have to figure out how many hours are between 8 and 2. So one way you could do that is by counting. Okay, I have 8 to 9. Like I would come out here, 8 to 9, 9 to 10, 10 to 11, 11 to 12, 12 to 1, 1 to 2. So 1 hour, 2, 3, 4, 5. So he did 6 hours. Okay, 6 hours. Now, so what you can do is you're going to go 1250 times 6. Okay, so we're going to go 6 times 0 is 0. 6 times 3 is 30. I'm sorry. 6 times 2 is 12, plus 3 is 15. Then 6 times 1 is 6 plus 1 is 7. So he didn't get paid $7,500. We still have to deal with our decimal. So how many numbers are to the right of the decimal? 2. And that's it. So 1, 2. So number 4 is 75. Okay? All right. Sorry. And you should know how much a quarter is worth. Okay? I think everything else should be good. All right, so that is your problem solving for Thursday. Good luck. Stay out of trouble. I'll talk to you later.